still coming out.
It smells amazing here.
Nah, like the way it smells really, really nice. What's going on there? Yo, what going? Yo, what going? So guys, it's amazing that we have literally done 5 entire videos.
5 entire videos, and all of them were pretty amazing. I will say, pretty amazing season we've had.
Definitely. We started out with the Millers.
The Millers, yes.
What did they do again?
They did a stuffed chicken breast with cheese and callaloo, and then we had the Williams, the second set of Williams.
That did the teriyaki chicken neck with plantain.
Yeah, and
that was a whole
that was cool too, because you had the teriyaki plantain something. That was interesting. And then we had the Forbes. Was it the Forbes right after, or was it somebody?
No man, it wasn't the Forbes. Jeez, please. The Browns.
The Browns, yes, and their pasta was so good. The pasta and the barbecue tofu, that was really good. The tofu did have a buzz. Mrs. Can I stop talking about tofu then?
We've been talking about it. This is the 3rd episode that we've been talking about it. The judges have been talking about it. Production team that came in after and just had a quick bite was talking about it. Like, tofu. It didn't taste like tofu at all.
And it was the first time that they were cooking. It was the first time that we were cooking it.
Which is amazing.
Yeah, that was pretty cool.
And then after that, we had the Forbes.
Yes.
And the Forbes came in and they did their thing.
Yeah, with their curry rundown saltfish.
Yes.
Saltfish curry rundown, that's how it said. Yes.
You mean coconut curry?
Yeah, you know.
Rundown with saltfish.
Rundown. It was a rundown and it had curry, it had saltfish, and it tasted good.
And guys, if you were not watching, you would have, well, if you were, you would have found out that I'm not a fan of rundown. But you see, the Forbes them rundown, slap with shell. I
Bon appetit.
would have tried it.
Yeah man, it was really good. And today we have the big match. The Williams versus the Williams.
Literally.
And it's not like the other Williams. It's literally
husband and wife
going head to head in the kitchen. And so far it's been like pretty dope. The place smells good. We see them over there really quiet, which is strange.
Very strange. The entire season they've been talking. They've been going head to head with their competitors, but no, they're mom.
Yeah.
Which is crazy.
But I guess they're just like really focused to see who is going to be the winner tonight.
And of course, guys, you know, they didn't know what was going to be in their mystery bag. And so when we popped off everything and we came out, we told them that they were supposed to make chickpea wraps. They found, surprise, raw chickpeas.
Yeah, the top one.
And immediately Matthew was just like, no.
Distraught.
Frazzled. I mean, he just ready to give up because he was like, chickpeas not cooking 45 minutes.
I think at one point he did give up too.
Yeah, I mean, it felt like that. But they also got Chinese sauce, which is really nice. They got raw beef. So you're supposed to put chickpeas and beef in the same wrap, or was it 2 different wraps? I don't know. I guess they'll find out, right?
I think we forced them to do something.
Because you didn't want the beef.
Yeah.
You don't like beef.
No. Not that I don't like. Well, I don't eat it. Not my nobody's like forcing me not to eat it, but I just don't want to eat it.
Come on, alright. And also guys, they got wraps. So each of them got 2 wraps. They got 2 wraps each, and then all of the other things that you've been seeing in all of the other mystery bags, their skillet and thyme, them pepper, them seasoning, them salt. Yeah, they've been doing it. They're literally killing it in the kitchen right now. I mean, I know you guys can't smell it. I know you guys may not be able to hear it, but
you wish you were smelling it, and you wish you were tasting it too. Really good.
But you know what I'm really worried about? I'm worried whether or not that chickpea is gonna cook in time.
Ooh, make we see now. Make we see. Guys, I wish you were here to smell the aroma. It smells so good.
You can feel it.
Yeah,
I can feel it.
It smells nice. It smells nice.
Yeah, guys, in here is just wow. Like, you know, the smell of the seasoning, the smell of the beef. I mean, it's a wow. It's a wow for me, right?
It's a wow for me too. You know what's interesting is how silent they are in the kitchen. You feel like because they're husband and wife, they have so much to talk about.
Yeah.
But just over here at work.
They're literally like laser focused, guys.
Yeah.
I mean, they're barely talking. You know, they have activities 1 and 2, but after that,
I share a few words, but I'm like, guys, it's not that serious. We know that both of you want to win, but
right?
Come on.
Right now, I'm just looking to try to get some good food to eat.
Oh, yes. Yes. Remember me, I want the chickpeas, I know the beef, so I know the chickpeas still over there.
Which is one
come off yet. But let's see, because the time is winding down and they might put them cooking tonight.
Yeah, because we want to eat hungry before I wrap up.
Yes, I want the wrap. I want the wrap.
Alright guys, so I'm just gonna go over and have a quick talk with Matthew. I'm gonna go, you know, take a couple peeks in his pot, see what he's doing. I see what Janelle is doing over here. Hey Matt, how are you doing?
Doing well, not bad.
So what's going on? Yeah? What kind of progress you making?
We're finished with the minced beef.
Alright.
Actually.
Here, oh my god. Step over this. You see through? Guys, so you know, a little insider information. I do a little thing. Oh! Okay, I do a little thing. You see me?
You want to taste the chickpeas?
Alright. Put it in the sweet salt. But that's good. Let's see a chickpea. Matthew, is this chickpea gonna cook in time? Is this what you've been using?
As I tell you guys, chickpeas are cooked so quick. Chickpeas needs 10 hours and for one.
Guys,
It's like
chickpeas, yeah?
like you have to soak it overnight and
No excuses.
Guys, like that chickpeas there. Tough. Tough. You know, like when teachers say picnic tough. Tough stuff. Well, I don't know if you're gonna be able to eat, you know.
Oh, you know what? That not the proper chicken broth for myself.
Yeah, go check it out for yourself?
In the kitchen, yeah.
Alright, do the thing.
Hello, Mrs. Williams.
Hello, friend.
I see the tortilla wraps now.
yeah, I'm just trying to figure out how to I'm gonna plate it and all. Trying to get some inspiration, but I think I'm gonna use this pot right here to get everything done.
Okay, alright.
I don't know why Mr. Williams is looking on me like that, you know?
I'm interested to see how this will play out. Is this new territory for you guys as well? Have you ever done anything like this with the wraps and all that?
No, it's not new territory. Me wraps, but a chickpea wrap, yes. A
Nice.
chickpea wrap, yes.
That's actually one of my favorite wraps too.
Chickpeas?
Yeah, chickpea.
Well, I think chickpeas taste the best when it is curried. Curried, like curried chickpeas
Is there any other way?
I do like, but there's no curry with
I
this
never had
meal.
it any other way.
There is
which
no-
is gonna be interesting for me because I've never had chickpeas any other way before.
Why? That chickpeas, like it's taking forever to. It's gonna probably cook
let
in the
me
45
see.
minutes.
No, let me see it. Let me see. What you all want. I would like to try one of these chickpeas, please.
That's Matthew. This is mine.
Oh wait, you guys are doing different
Yeah, we
chickpeas.
decided to just do it
Matthew, I
separately.
feel like the chickpeas are burning up in the water in the pot.
Come and say what? I'll give you some of my boiling water.
You want some water, man?
No one up here except
Let me resurrect this chickpeas because there's no living again. Because this dead. This chickpeas is what you call dead. Is what you call dead. This is done for popcorn. This thing. So you see what happened when you do this tractor?
Yeah, it's still
Alright.
want some more cooking. You still want some more cooking, but this Look like it is better than Matthew.
No, I can actually resurrect.
No, Matthew.
Alright, make us see. That's a challenge. Matthew going to try and resurrect these chickpeas. Tell us, is Matthew chickpeas are coming?
No. Matthew, you are that boy.
You not taste my beef.
No, but I don't do this.
Oh yeah.
But it look like it is, but I trust you. I believe you.
Yeah, you come this.
Alright, you come here. It's gonna be my beef taster by proxy.
Oh, wow.
Excuse me.
One sec.
Sorry, not because you're burning the chicken.
Mommy, you go back over there.
Yeah.
It's good, yeah? That's what we have to see. Alright, we're going to
Matthew Louisiana was still in.
do what now that.
Actually, I know it's my chicken with a like.
No trouble. Nah, like, me and Matthew, me and you stand up right there looking at the pot.
Yeah,
Not
so
actually,
you have a guy that did you?
Of course I can. No, but I thought he was actually doing it on purpose. Like I said, a little bit of water in there. So I'm saying, no.
Not actually stepped back.
Let's step that for a second.
Wait,
No,
guys.
you should open it.
No, sir. Matthew chickpeas are smoked.
Hold on.
It will give it a nice flavor. It's not gonna. It will give it a nice flavor.
Not her picking up her
Scorch.
husband.
A nice.
I thought you guys were competitors.
Yeah.
Well, never pick up beans same way.
Alright.
Flavor.
You know what? Let's go back to our seats and let Ella go.
Honestly, no. This is just my creative mindset coming out.
It smells amazing here.
I'm not like really, really nice. There. Yo, what? Hey guys, what's up? We're back and it's tasting time.
Yes, I mean the place full of smoke because Matthew almost burned up the one of the chickpeas, but let's see what he was able to salvage from it all.
Right?
Yes, and I have to tell you before we go into tasting, we have to keep in mind that these were literally raw chickpeas and so it might not be good. So guys, if we break any teeth,
Yeah, somebody's gonna have to pay for it.
alright, let's head over and taste that food.
Yes, it's time for the tasting. Time for the tasting.
Wow, I mean Jan's dish looks nice.
I like it.
Yeah, cute.
Yeah, both of them look good actually.
Yeah. I love Jan's. I love that they went with different style. Jan is different face, Matthew is clothes.
It's really good looking. And
It's funny
I
that.
feel like that tastes good too.
Yeah.
These might be tough, but fingers crossed.
Yeah.
Comes out.
So you know what's really funny? It's really funny that Matthew still have the piece cooking. Matthew still have the piece cooking. So guys, how are you guys feeling about your performance and everything? Considering.
Well, the chickpeas really threw us off, but I guess outside of that, I'm working with what we got. We did our best. Like this really, I don't know, it could have gotten harder than the tofu, but it
It went up. I mean, we did promise Jamaica that it was gonna go The scales were gonna go up, man.
Alright, so for me, this was horrible. Guys, I can cook way better than this right now. But the way how things are right now, I don't want to concede defeat too early, but you hear my comments after the judges have said it.
Alright.
Well, he does cook better because that's what won my heart.
Oh,
Yeah.
Original foodie.
Yeah, original foodie.
Isn't it? We can do this competition again. And next time, don't give me a chickpea when I cook already.
We have no idea.
Pressure cooker.
We are not involved.
We are as surprised as you are.
Trust me.
Found out this
Basically at the same time.
Yeah.
Let's
We're going to
see.
taste the food now because that's
Yes.
what I'm
Yeah.
Yes.
I'm excited.
I guess I'm gonna go with Janelle's first. So this is chicken.
What I feel like.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
So let's just
Chickpeas.
put Janice over there. And
So,
I don't know.
I guess
Out
you
of
will-
the two tastes better.
Well, I mean, you could always taste the chickpeas as well. The chickpeas as well.
Let's go into
So draw a knife and make we
Well, Mike will put in a half.
wrap this. Alright.
So I brought a knife for you to just cut it up first, and then 2 forks just in case. I feel like I want to taste the chickpeas without, you know.
First.
Yeah.
Wow, the wrap is very soft. I'll give them that.
And Matthew's own has a little crunch to it, I'm not going to lie. Alright, so that's your turn.
So we try. So you're trying Matthews first.
Yeah, let's try Matt's first. Ready? 1, 2.
The chickpeas is definitely tough.
But Matthew not broken.
Yeah. Toughness aside,
So
it's okay. I think.
it's salty, guys. It's a bit salty, but it's well seasoned. The wrap is really nice. I can tell that he used the Chinese sauce in it a lot. He went really heavy on the Chinese sauce, so you're really tasting that coming out.
Yeah.
Which I think is pretty good because it sort of hides the part that the chickpeas now.
Yeah. I like the wrap that the chickpeas is in.
It has that nice crunch, yeah? Okay.
The wrap makes it worthwhile. I know it's time to taste Janelle. Let's see if her chickpeas took any more of the cookie. Okay, this is tough too, but the sauce is very different. It's more on the tomato kind of vibe. Definitely tasting that zest, yeah.
I would like to have it fresher.
I know who won for the chickpea segment. It's time for you to eat the beef now.
Oh, yeah. I feel so bad that you can't join me.
It's fine.
There's a lot. I feel like I
It's
need
not
some water.
like it's not like if I eat it. It's not like if I water. We're coming.
No, we can't. Oh.
So it's not that if I eat the beef I will explode or anything. It's just like a personal choice not to eat the meat. But it looks good, and I love that for you.
Aww, John, extra points in my book.
Extra points.
There you go. You're gonna get them after we've announced it.
Yeah.
Alright, so we started with Matthew's first, so let's taste John's first. John's one is a really open face. I really like it, you know, the garnish is really nice.
It looks inviting, like it's saying, "Hey,
Eat me.
eat me here."
So I'm a burrito type of person. So I'm gonna wrap it up.
So, yeah.
Alright, let me see. Okay. Okay. I like this. Let me eat first. Hold on.
It looks like you like it too.
I do. I do. The beef is nicely seasoned. Pretty great actually. It's not too dry. The spice. You know when you have some spicy and when you first eat it, like it's not spicy, but then at the back of your throat, that kick, that's my favorite thing. So that kick at the back of my throat is really nice. And the tomatoes inside sort of tone it down, sort of pull it till you get that kick. But the tomatoes is nice and fresh enough where it's not like
it's not killing you.
Yeah. Alright, that's it.
Alright. So big up yourself.
Yeah, go Jan. Alright, Matthew. I love his presentation, like it's a whole different color.
Yeah,
you literally see it.
Yes. And you know what I like with Matthew's too is like his approach to cooking the wrap is different.
Yeah.
So
I wonder what he used to get that color.
Maybe some butter.
Oh, true, yeah. Alright, let's taste
ask
it.
him.
Okay.
Look at it, tastes good.
Yeah. This is gonna be hard. I'm not going to lie to you. Matthew's own, perfectly seasoned just as well. His one is a little bit more moist. You can feel like he's a little bit more oily. It's a bit more peppery. You get that kick, but that's okay, guys. Heartburn is alright. I'm not saying that it's killer, but it really tastes good.
That's what the heartburn is for the heartburn pepperism.
Yeah.
And there's daika too.
Yeah, that's true. Jamaican brand and everything.
Yeah.
Matthew's own is really nice. I think the one thing that I will say about this is that the beef is just a bit overcooked. It's a bit chewy. Aside from that, it's really good.
Okay. Alright. So
We're gonna be here. So guys, we've deliberated.
Yes.
And interesting. I have to tell you.
Very interesting.
It's approach.
Put together.
Yes. But you know what's crazy is that they both sort of have similar ideas. So it's literally sort of the same. And you can tell like they've been cooking together for quite a bit, that they literally have the same idea. Presentation may be different, but same idea.
For the most part, they're rubbing off on each other.
Yeah, like they were literally like they were cooking one pot. Wow. But before we announce the winner, I want to tell you how amazing it has been.
Yes.
To just host with you.
Oh, thank you. GB compliments me so much. Not talking about just about like verbal compliments, but you know, like on the set, it's been great energy, and we don't know each other before this. You know,
yes,
we literally
first
met
time
on the show, and it's
I've met you via Instagram before. You know, I watch your videos, but in person,
it's been really great energy, really amazing. I see you going places.
Thank you. I mean, you're already going. You know, someone's gonna follow in the footsteps, you know? Role model type thing.
Stop.
I mean.
Not really blushing.
You're not even standing that close to the butt.
Oh my goodness. But
Alright,
it's
funny jokes and all.
for real.
Yeah. But I do want to tell you guys, tell the judges thank you. Oh my god, Kenya was amazing.
Yes.
Jamaican Foodie Chronicles, Daniel Pottinger Cooper was amazing. Joby Morris, aka Joby, was wow. It was so amazing. And the couples.
Yes.
My teammates, the Forbes.
You know, if I didn't have Williams to work with throughout the whole competition, I feel like I would have gone with the Forbes too. The Forbes.
They were so cute, right?
The Forbes, yeah, the Forbes have a buzz. The Forbes have one with everything. Yeah. Good energy. The
other Williams too. The other Williams were so nice. Like O'Shea was very innovative. I mean, what he did,
Yes.
With chicken neck.
Teriyaki.
The teriyaki chicken neck.
That was cool too.
His teriyaki plantain. I didn't expect that.
Yeah, I called him teriyaki plantain.
I didn't know you could do that. It was amazing. It was crazy. It was crazy, honestly. And the Millers. The Millers, the first episode with that stuffed chicken.
Oh yes.
Yeah, the Millers
chicken had everybody's mouth drooling except mine. It's not another chicken. But everybody was salivating.
I'm pretty sure I wanted to taste it with the cheese oozing out.
No.
Okay, fine. Okay, alright. I mean, it's just been an amazing series and we're so glad.
That's been for real.
So, we're gonna announce the winner now. Yeah.
Wait, who do you guys think won?
True.
I actually think Jan won.
You think Jan won? Okay, right.
Yeah. Because after I really didn't put any much effort into chickpeas afterwards. I never thought.
You gave up halfway?
I literally thought it never made sense.
Okay.
Even after restoring it, I knew that it could have worked. It needed time and to keep the flavors and everything.
Even though I knew it was not gonna be cooked like throughout, I think that even though both arts they were gonna be tough. So it was just the flavors. It's just the master. Okay. So when I get up, let's see which one have the best flavor, the best taste.
I had that in
so
mind.
giving up was not a good idea. Okay.
No, I was just looking at because when chickpeas is cooked, it doesn't have a popcorn taste to it. Okay. So in my mind, I'm like, alright, a seasoning for chickpeas, not for popcorn taste. Is it? So in my, I have to fight against the chickpeas. I was like,
well, I put on my fights and I decided that come hell or high water, if it was gonna be tough, it was gonna be some tough, tasty.
Yes, and they translated.
So my own never taste good and it tastes good.
No, we did not say that.
We did not say that.
John, who do you think won?
Honestly, to be honest, simply because Matthew did not give his best to the chickpeas, I believe I won, but it could also be a tie because, as Jenna said, Matthew's beef was a bit more juicy than mine, so I guess that could.
That could tip the scales.
Yeah. So it could be.
I think that threw me off to the dog beef long time still, and I struggle with this chickpeas.
I slow cooked my beef because I didn't want to overcook it, and I knew that I would have to be waiting a while for the chicken.
It wasn't about slow cooking for me. It was just that when you cook beef at a small amount in the pot, it's more will cook faster than the amount that she had. So that's like I'm gonna have to use more than just that to plate it. So
technically,
But I will allow you, my hostess with the mostess, to tell them who won this face off. Who won this face off?
Who won this
They are. Hey.
Alright. Serious time now. So guys, Jamaica, before we tell you who won, I want you guys to write in the comments who you think won. Are you Team Matthew or are you Team Janet?
I think you should be Team Matthew.
Team Matthew says
you shouldn't be Team Matthew. Team Matthew gave up.
No,
Team
later on
gave
you'll
up.
see the best coming forward. See, I'm a bit tired and everything, but when you see that I put through and got that minced beef right, and
but it was a bit dry though. It was overcooked. Well, it wasn't dry, it was overcooked. It was chewy.
What happened to it?
No.
Was it on the stove? But anyway, Team Matthew.
Let's hear who the winner is.
Yes. No, them have more to know when they them never did that.
Hey, quiet. Most.
Quiet.
None. Quiet in the kitchen. Alright, so I'm gonna announce who won. So based on taste, texture, presentation, the person that won, I mean, I know that the person's gonna come back next season. Yeah, right? They're gonna be coming back next season. They're gonna be giving it to us there all this time, even if it is raw chickpeas. And like the person, what they did is that they cooked it and then they put it in wrap and they seasoned it as well. And then they cut up some tomato and put it in the plate. And so that's why we, as a team, decided that nobody won.
Nobody.
It's that time.
Chickpeas, they tough.
Yeah.
They tough. Bad.
Yeah. I think we might need to revisit that, but
however, we decided that it's a tie because actually, after tasting the food, we realized that they kind of complemented each other so well. So we couldn't really say one person won and the other person.
Which is crazy. Like we couldn't really differentiate who cooked what.
It's really a tie. So congratulations to the Williams. Apparently, you know, it's not a one person thing. It's not because of one person why the team was losing. It's just the both of them, and it is what it is. We have come to the conclusion.
So you know, I want to find out for next season. You know. I hope you're coming back next season as a host. Are you gonna choose the other teams or are you gonna choose?
No, I am going to always choose the Williams.
Okay.
Why? Because
that means they're gonna lose.
No, stop. No, because they will never want to come on the internet and lose like how them lose this season.
Okay.
So next, I'm gonna bring them 8+.
Oh, they're gonna go to school and stuff.
Yes.
Alright.
Next time we see the best thing.
So you know what that means? That means that the couples that are coming next, they're gonna be much better.
Yes.
So we're just gonna invite Williams over because you know they're gonna do their signature ending with us.
Yes.
And OMG.
And guys, it was a pleasure having you guys.
It has been a pleasure.
Oh my God.
Thank you guys so much. I would hug you, but you know, but say just something like that.
Oh, yes.
Thanks guys, really.
You know what I mean? Next time.
We're really happy and like we're just so mind blown of what this became. It was just an idea and like it just surpassed into this. We are so very, very grateful. Thank God. It's possible. I like to cry. It's possible. It's possible. Just want to say thank you to everyone, the hosts, the judges, the production team, yo.
Guys, you see when these videos
see this quality, like the production team was A+.
So we'll say money shots.
Yeah, we are grateful for everyone who contributed to the person who came up with the meals. Big up yourself.
You're crazy.
Yes.
Big up
Except for the
yourself.
person who recommended the chickpeas. That was going to cook in 45 minutes.
Yeah.
It was like popcorn. But guys, thank you very much.
Thank you.
And we tell you to like, share, and subscribe.
Yes.
And look forward to bigger and better things next season.
Definitely.
Yes,
Next
season.
Yes. What do you guys normally say?
1, 2, 3.
Live, love, and encourage.
Yeah.